Hey, it's Todd with Kudas Industries, going over another repair today at home. This is on a pool cover. I got stretched out here. It's a vinyl pool cover. It's old, it's dry rotted, the threads are cracking, but I put some patches on it every year to try to buy it because these are really expensive covers. So I'll show you what I did here to fix my pool cover. Here's an example of what I see a lot is the threads are just dry rotted and the seams ripped. So what I do is I get a roll of this vinyl material, and I get it from a place called mytarp.com, and it's just regular vinyl, comes in a roll. I buy about 6 feet of it at a time, and it matches the color pretty good and it's really tough. So I use that to go over the seams, just to patch it. And then what I use is this HH66 vinyl cement, super heavy duty contact cement, really good stuff. I apply it, put it in a metal paint tray, get a roller, and then I use, this is actually a vinyl flooring roller, so I roll the seams after I'm done to really press it down. So I'll go through the application process now. Okay, so this is contact cement, so you roll it on both sides, let it dry for a few minutes, and then apply it down. So get my roller, put it in here, you can see it's clear. Get this nice and lubed, roll this out. Put a pretty generous coating on there. Now I would say do this outside, this stuff really smells, plus you need a room enough to spread your tarp out. Then I put it on the back side of my patch. Just like this. That's it. Now wait about 3 minutes for this to dry, then we'll stick it on there. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes or so. So it's kind of dry to touch, maybe a little bit tacky, but we'll just place it on there, and once you stick this on, that'll be it. So I line it up, my seam, and on top. Then I use my vinyl roller. Make sure you press down the edges real good. Try to work it at different angles. That's it. Again, I just get this from your home improvement store, Home Depot, Lowe's. It's a flooring department. It's a vinyl flooring roller, so it works out pretty good. And that's it. Attached on there pretty tight. Go do a couple more. Okay, we'll give it another shot of the whole process here. Here's another seam. It's kind of getting loose. So I'm gonna take a broom, just clean off any kind of dirt. Vinyl glue, roll it on. Roll it on the patch. It's already been pre-cut. Wait a few minutes and push it down. Take our patch, cover the joint. Like that. Press it and roll it. Thanks for watching the video. You could always message me if you have any questions. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you.